Sarah. Sheriff Stephen J. here. I'm back in the world of the magical couch from the world up above. Yeah, just in time, too, for the children's corner.
When I'm sitting around with my homework all done and there's nothing to do, I call all of my friends, they don't answer the phone. Where have they gone to? Well, I'm thinking and I'm thinking with the TV right in front of me, when something catches my eye. It's a television program that's made for younger people. I think I'll give it a try. I'm gonna go to the children